That. And I need the cigarette lighter. There it is. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing we'll do, set this up. I like to put this on here. And then this goes like that. Measure these about 7 or 8 feet. If it's too long, we'll just cut it off. And we'll take the white one, same length. Move this out of the way. Turn these in so they get pretty hot. Put that together. Wait for it to cool. Yeah, got it. You can test it here, like that. Now, depending on how big your bracelet is, about 7 3/4 on this particular jig for a men's bracelet. Okay, we tighten that up. Put this back in there. These are actually two buckles here. You have the female part and the male part already attached to this. And then these go mount into that on both sides. And then you have some way to hold it together while you're doing your stuff here. Feed it in from the top through those slots, like so. Okay? And then you got to make sure that this paracord goes over like that. Okay? When you get to the end, you got to make sure that this tie point right here stays in the center. Underneath these welds here, it needs to go underneath the clip. You got to make sure that weld stays underneath. We need to grab the other end of these wires. That's what I'm going to do now. So what I do is just do it like that until you find the end of it, like so. You got the ends, okay? Okay, so we just take it, push it in, and come back down. So you kind of snug these up like this. So you cross over with the red over the top of the two. This one goes over the red, loops through the other side, and comes back out over here. And then you just snug that up like that. We'll continue to do that same loop all the way through. The white one will always go across the bottom on this procedure. It goes across the bottom. The red one will always cross over the top. So I take it underneath, through the loop, and then snug it up like that. Now, after you do a couple of these, what I usually do is take this and then pull it, kind of just snug. You see how I'm snugging it up? See, I'm just going to snug it up real tight, kind of tight, and then clamp it back down again. Now I've got a real tight fit here. Now we'll do this again, under, through. Okay. I'm going to take it and cut it like that. Burn that off for next time. And there's your bracelet.